Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Teen Safety Driving Podcast. My name is Robinson, and I'm a college student who's interested in teen safety on the road. The topic for today is teen safety driving in the US, but especially in Salt Lake City, Utah. In this first Teen Safety Driving Summit episode, I will be providing knowledge, raising the awareness, and discussing tips on safety driving and ways to prevent teen unintentional vehicle accident and death. Are you ready to join me in this journey? Let's get started. According to the research, the state of Utah has a total of 70% of teen death each year related to motor vehicle accident. Most of these crashes happen in Salt Lake City. Many of us must agree that teen car accident is a real concern. Back in 2014, my nephew was killed in a car accident that could have been prevented. My nephew's friend was a new driver, and he didn't pay attention and obey to the traffic sign, and he ran the red light. There were three of them in the car, only one of them survived. But my nephew and the new driver was killed. It was a terrific loss for me and my family. I was able to learn from the mistake. I pay extra attention on the road and I practice safety driving for myself. I have to let you know that safe driving do work. It does work and it saves lives. It is important that parents and community leaders find a way to teach teenagers about safety driving and train them how they can be safe while they driving. Not only not paying attention is the only factor that can cause teen to get into a car accident. There's so many factors that can cause that. You have like the weather condition. You have construction site. If they building new building on the road and there is hazard on the road that can cause them to get into a car accident too. But the big factor that most likely get them involved in a car accident is the behavior factor, such as using their cell phone while they're driving. They have to change the music over and over. They have to please their friend that sit next to them. They on the influence of drug or alcohol, or they under the influence of peer pressure. All of that can contribute to teen get involved in car accident, and that is the reason why it is important that you as a teenager when you're driving you need to pay extra attention. You can tell your friend, okay, I'm gonna change the music once, or when I stop, I'll change it. You can stop talking on the phone when you get home. Then you will be able to use your phone and call your friend, do whatever. But while you're on the road, please remember that your life is important and your safety does matter. It is important that you remember that. And parent, please take action, educate and train your teen on how they can be safe while they're driving. I thank you for your time and for listening. You can find more information about teen safety driving by visiting my website at www.eldefson.wixsite.com, or you can also visit the CDC website at cdc.gov slash motor vehicle safety slash teen slash driver. You will be able to get all of this information. Thank you for your time and thank you for listening.